guys? Welcome to my brand new apartment. This is my empty apartment tour, and come on, let's get started. This is the front door. This is where I just came through. I have 10-foot ceilings. I'm 5'9", so I feel like an ant. I just got the keys, so it's like little nicks and stuff that I need to document and things like that. But this is my storage closet. Y'all, I brought my wrong tripod over here, so that's why she in there. But this is my storage closet slash coat closet. This is probably where I'll keep all my like cleaning stuff and like storage and overflow type of items. People, when they come in, I'll probably have them put their shoes in there. And then you come in to the living room and kitchen. So I'm gonna come in here. This is my kitchen. Hey, you know it's luxury because baby, talk nice to me. I got side-by-side refrigerator, okay? It's side-by-side. This is like the utility closet. I'll just show y'all what's in it because people be nosy. It's hard for me to get, I'm gonna get a wide lens for my ZV-1 because like I just want to be able to capture everything in one shot. Close that. Here is like a little nook if you wanted like a breakfast nook or something, but I think I'm gonna turn this into like a workspace for my work from home type of ordeal, so I can separate the creative from the actual work. So this is my kitchen. I love that the house has all matte black finishings because this is gonna be great because my accent color is black. My chairs are black, and yeah, that's kind of what's gonna go be and that's kind of what was gonna be my motif in here. And I'm gonna get some black accent chairs for the living room area as well. So I'm hype. Plenty of space, y'all. So much storage in this house. This is my little gift box they got me. I love it. Pen, you tell them what you like. So they got my white cheddar puffs and my rose, and I actually love that brand. Down here we have more storage and a dishwasher. But I love storage because y'all, I do not like a whole lot of stuff on my counter. So this is absolutely perfect. Not to mention, you guys, when you open the cabinets, it has the quiet features. So they close slowly, so it doesn't make too much noise. I'm not gonna spare you all with opening all the drawers, but I just want y'all to see how much storage is actually in here. And since I was talking junk about this, you got your options. You can do the refrigerator temperature, all that stuff, cube, crushed water, and then like the freezer. My phone is going off, y'all. Sorry. I'm gonna put my bottle of water in there, so I can't wait to stop my fridge. My phone is going crazy. Okay, so my internet technician is on the way. Here is my laundry room. So nice. Gotta say it twice. But so much space, you guys. And I love that I have so much space because, hey, like I said, I don't like nothing out. So this is like the living area. I'll give y'all an aerial view of the kitchen. And then I'll show you all my patio. This is the patio area. Pretty nice size patio. I can't wait to like decorate it and make it more homey. So we're gonna come back inside, lock that door, and then I'm going to come in here. This is the bedroom, but it is kind of small, but I ain't complaining because I got a 2-bedroom. I'm gonna get a king bed. The model had the king bed in there, and I might put my mirror there. But honestly, the way the TV's supposed to be, I can see the TV from in here. I think I know what they were doing. So this is the master bathroom. So much space. Hang on. Y'all gonna get sick of me in this camera, in this mirror, I mean. But what I love most is the spa shower. That's like one of the main things I wanted. So Get a little bamboo bench in here. It has like the waterfall head and all that good stuff. This is the linen closet. I love that the linen closet is already in here. Like they really thought of everything when they built this. Here is my walk-in closet. Plenty of shelving, plenty of hanging space. I think I'm gonna get like a little rack for my shoes, or I could put my shoes right here, but I don't know. But yeah, just really nice. We're gonna walk back out. Like I'm on MTV Cribs. And we're gonna go to the guest suite / studio area. This is going to be my studio room. I'm so hyped. My studio beauty room. Create content. I'm hyped, y'all. I'm really ready to take everything to the next level with you guys. And that's just where was my intentions for, and that was just my intentions for this space. So yeah, this is the closet. Y'all know I got so much stuff, so we gonna definitely be doing some organizational things. But I love that I'll have a place to put my camera equipment because I've just collected so much and actually be able to use my lights and all that stuff. So extremely blessed, extremely grateful, so happy to be in here. And bada bing, bada bam, ba boom. This is the guest bathroom. I am in love because y'all, guess what? I still get a tub, like my spa shower and my tub. They got some scratches here. I'm gonna need them to fix that. But this tub is spacious. I just got in it. 2 people can fit in here. That's like how much room it is. Also, we have another waterfall head and everything. So all right, y'all. I'm so excited. Yeah, so toilet, I gotta do like all the checks. Like I've only had the keys for like an hour, went to go get food, came back, all that good stuff, but I can't wait to decorate. Y'all know, like I can't wait to decorate. Y'all know I already bought my couch and everything. I just gotta, I bought my chairs, I bought my couch. I need to get a bed, mattress, desk. I'm gonna do all that this week. I move later on this week, so y'all will see more stuff in my moving vlog, but this is just my empty apartment tour, and I'm just happy to share this with y'all. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a little fully furnished one. I kind of was a little hesitant even doing the empty one because there's a lot of weirdos on the internet. And though my channel is small, I don't want anybody to look back here and be like, oh, I know where she lives. And even if you do know where I live, please do not put that in the comments. That's like really like not safe. So with that being said, thanks you guys for tuning in, and y'all are so appreciated. Smooches.